In the news recently, on August 9th of this month, a search warrant was executed on Donald Trump's property in Palm Beach, Florida, what is known as Mar-a-Lago. And apparently, there is some sort of evidence of a crime, and that's why law enforcement came to his home with a search warrant. Well, the question is, what is a search warrant, and how does a search warrant occur? First, law enforcement, whether it be the FBI or federal investigators or state and local investigators, must believe that there is some sort of evidence of a crime. However, they must present evidence of that evidence of a crime to a judge in the form of an affidavit. The affidavit will show and explain why law enforcement believes that there's probable cause to believe that there is evidence of a crime in a particular property or area that they want to search. The judge will review that affidavit and then make a decision if, based on that affidavit, law enforcement has submitted enough evidence that to secure a search warrant. That is what has happened in the Donald Trump case. Law enforcement, or the FBI and the Department of Justice, submitted an affidavit to a federal magistrate judge in the Southern District of Florida. That federal magistrate judge reviewed the affidavit and the evidence presented by the FBI and the Department of Justice and found that there is probable cause to believe that there is evidence of a crime or crimes at Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago property. So at that point, a search warrant was issued, and it stated it needed to be served at the property on such and such date. At that point, federal law enforcement came in and took certain boxes and items related to documents that could have been in violation of an Espionage Act or security clearance related laws. Now, the question remains, just because all that evidence was taken, does that mean Donald Trump is going to be indicted? Or would anyone, are they going to be arrested or indicted just because a federal search warrant has been executed on their property? The answer is 100% no. Oftentimes, we have clients contact us when a federal search warrant has been executed on their property, and they're naturally concerned that they're going to be indicted, federally charged, or charged in state court. By hiring us at Stechschulte Nell, we can get in contact with law enforcement, present our case, and potentially prevent our clients from being indicted or charged with federal and or state or local crimes.